Miss you guys. Decided to do a video just to say hello. Hopefully you guys are having a good summer. There's Laura. We're just having a little barbecue. We needed to rest, so that's what we've been doing. We're hoping to get maybe next weekend, but if we don't feel ready, we'll wait another week. We're just visiting with family and friends, enjoying Canada Day, Portugal playing and winning so far. And yeah, just resting, doing these vlogs. It's not as easy as it looks, and there's a lot of, we do other things, so we really felt we needed to take time off. We will obviously appreciate all your support.
Hope you guys didn't miss us too much.
Yeah, and we're planning on a few videos to do with our tourism services. Just so I'll give you some heads up. We're also back on the glamping project, so there's some interesting things to share there. And we're going to be doing a few side trips around where we are here in Ontario. And yeah, hopefully you guys will come along. And I know some of you are watching some of the other videos. And actually, some of you watching this for the first time, I'm Carlos, and that's Laura. YouTube channel is Our Journey on Pico Island. We spend half our time in Pico Island in the Azores, Portugal, and the other half here in Ontario. And anyways, just wanted to say hello.
Show them what you've been barbecuing.
Yeah, this is what I've been cooking here. Let me turn on the camera off. Let me turn the camera around so you guys can see. All right, I'm going to be doing a fire later. And yeah, some piri chicken. Very hot. Don't want to get too close. And but anyways, guys, we'll see you soon. Also wanted to say a quick hello to our family and friends on Pico. We miss Pico. Dancing on the edge, got to take it too far. Messing with my head, how I'm messing up. It's like when we're in Canada, we miss Pico. When we're in Pico, we miss Canada. That's why it's the best of both worlds. But we probably won't be back there till October, November, more or less. We keep in touch through obviously Facebook and some phone calls, video chats here and there. So for all you guys over there, Laura and I say hello, miss you guys. And for some of the family and friends, we'll be seeing you guys soon. We've got some gatherings coming up. We actually had a couple of gatherings. A friend of ours, Tina, invited us to go for a barbecue. It was great. Our cousin Armando was there. And yeah, and we actually have a wedding in September. My brother's wife, Liz's daughter. We're going to go to this glamping resort called Whispering Springs. And lots going on. Oh, geez, been having 32 plus temperatures, heat waves, and I think it's going to turn maybe next week. But until then, guys, see you on the next video.